morning. So it's already day 10 today and we are going to Milford Sound today. So we're on the way to Milford Sound now. We stopped by at a petrol station, like the town, actually the Teanau town, for like some brunch-ish, I guess, because we the cruise that I booked at Milford Sound is at 1:15 and we have to check in 20 minutes before, so we have to be there by like 12 plus, and I think this is like the last town this is the last town that we can find before we reach Milford Sound. So yeah, it's now 10:45. We woke up at like about 6:37 or left at about 7:45, started driving then. So yeah, it's been about 2 hours. Yeah, it's been about 2 hours. There's about another 1 hour 45 minutes left on the journey. So yeah, we're just gonna continue driving. We have some food first, continue driving, and then yeah, so basically today we are only going to Milford Sound because it's a 4-hour drive there and it's a 4-hour drive back, so obviously there's not much time to do anything. So yeah, that's all we're doing today in Milford Sound. But I'm excited. There's a cruise and apparently they say the weather forecast says that it's raining, so and it's good if it's raining because there'll be waterfalls or something. So yeah, I'm looking forward to it. We've arrived at Milford Sound and we got our boarding passes. So it's 1 now, our cruise is at 1:15. So I booked the Juicy cruise, so we're just gonna wait for boarding. And then yeah, let's just see how it is. So it's raining right now, but it's not a bad thing because they say if it rains, it means like there'll be more waterfalls and it'll be nicer. So yeah, I'm excited. Let's go. So we've boarded and it's still raining. I don't think you can see, but it's like raining quite heavily. We're on the second deck now and there's a third level, but it's open air. So I can't go up, like at least not yet because the rain is too heavy. But yeah, this reminds me of Halong Bay in Vietnam when I went like 2 years ago. It's really nice, but it's really foggy, so like the cruise just started in like just 10 minutes, so later as we go in, there'll be more things to see, I guess.